I think the key features in future track maintenance business is preventive condition-based maintenance and using new technology. The reason why smart maintenance hasn't been done on a large scale yet is because cloud services and edge computing have developed a lot in the recent years. Also, solutions that are quick to set up and don't require much maintenance are a key thing. Solutions that are quick to set up and don't require much maintenance are good business cases always. The future of smart maintenance is data-driven maintenance, so that we can use our staff in a more efficient way and really head towards predictive maintenance. I feel that VR FleetCare is a strong partner. They have a long experience in the railway industry and they strive for new, innovative business solutions.